Alright, so I figured I want to put this up here, maybe somewhere like that. Looks good, I think. Wish it was white instead of blue, but that's alright. So according to the instructions, what you want to do is clean surface with rubbing alcohol. Do not use household cleaners. Okay, so we got a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. And we're going to go ahead and apply that. Okay. And where do I want it? I think I want it right about here. So I'm going to clean that spot off real good. Do not use household cleaners. Alright, so that should be nice and clean right there, right? Just remember where that was. Right there, okay. And now, what are we going to do here? So, remove the liner and then press firmly to wall. Okay, so I'm going to take the squeegee off right now. And I'm going to remove the liner off of here, which is just this little part right here. If we can. Yes, we can. Okay. So now I'm going to put it there, press firmly to wall for 30 seconds. So, oh boy, I think it was like right here. And it says, I want to make sure that it's nice and straight, I guess. Press to wall firmly for 30 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so hopefully it says wait 1 hour before use. Well, let's just see if that's going to fit there for us. It will. So that looks like it's on there pretty good. Alright, so now let's test out the squeegee and see how well it works. Alright, so we got water all over there. Yeah, let's just try our little squeegee here. Dual squeegee power. Looks like it works pretty good there. So, yeah, looks like it's getting the majority of that off there. We got the dual squeegee power. Make sure it doesn't miss a drop. So it looks like it's pretty darn good job there. Okay, so actually working nice. Have more here. Let's see how it works on a kind of an uneven surface here. Well, actually fairly impressive. Obviously you can't get it through all the little crevices there, but the majority of the water is getting picked up here quite nicely. Okay, so and that will just hang up on there like this. It hasn't been an hour yet, but we'll see if it holds. So that actually holds really nice. We'll take that off and let it sit for an hour. And so, well, if you have water on there, it's going to run down off of here into the bathtub and not on the wall. So that's kind of cool too. I like that aspect. All right, so final review, final thoughts here is I think it's a pretty nice little squeegee. definitely helps if you don't like, you know, if you let the water just sit, it makes like water spots, and you can get like moldy too much water. So just got to be careful, and this is a quick and easy way to kind of help alleviate that. So nice little squeegee for your shower. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day out there, and thanks for watching this install / unboxing and review. We'll see you guys all next time.